Welcome back to Autoscope. The Mercedes Benz GLE becomes an aggressive, exclusive, and incredibly efficient super SUV from a luxurious and powerful car. Brabus has totally overhauled the engine in addition to making aesthetic changes. Outside design, an aggressive wide-body kit immediately distinguishes it from a standard or GLE and drastically alters the external appearance. The wide-body kit includes prominent fender flares and updated front and rear bumpers with huge air intakes for optimal cooling. The front spoiler, rear diffuser, and other aerodynamic parts frequently incorporate carbon fiber. Its huge Brabus monoblock C Platinum Edition forged wheels include a distinctive spoke pattern and carbon aero discs. Usually, these wheels are 24 inches in diameter. The grille is adorned with a large Brabus B or rocket logo. Additionally, certain models have rocket launch ambient lights installed on the exhaust. A modified air suspension with a Brabus control module allows for ride height adjustment. It is typically lowered for a sportier appearance and handling. Interior. The entire interior can be upholstered with the best leathers, such as velvety Alcantara or Brabus mastic leather. These upholstery often features intricate and unique stitching patterns. Interior color options are almost limitless and fully customizable. Extreme models often feature bright accent colors, such red or yellow, in stitching, and leather panels. The basic interior panels have been replaced with premium Brabus carbon trim on the dashboard, center console, and door panels. Double B door lock pins made of Brabus aluminum are used. Brabus aluminum pedals. Brabus carbon door sill panels with color-changing LED lighting. The Brabus B badge replaces the Mercedes insignia on the headrests and steering wheel. Despite the focus on performance, the GLE's built-in luxury features, such as massaging seats, advanced climate control, and the cutting-edge MBUX infotainment system, guarantee comfort. The base engine is the AMG 4.0-liter V8 Biturbo. But Brabus lengthened the engine stroke and made major modifications to create the powerful Brabus 900 V8 Biturbo engine, the maximum torque, which is electronically controlled to protect the transmission, is 1,250 Nm. With an electronic speed limit of 330 km/h, it is one of the quickest SUVs in the world. It produces a distinctive roar thanks to its carbon-trimmed Brabus flap exhaust system, which can be tuned to either aggressive or polite. Both the digital instrument cluster and the multimedia touchscreen have big dual displays. Advanced safety and driver assistance systems include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and a surround view system.